Hey there, so today we got the DJI Avata 2. We're gonna be flying indoors at the Statehouse, which is right here. This is aviation day. I'm a bit worried about flying over people, but they're the ones that got the approval, so we'll see how it goes. All right, see you in there. So here behind me is the Statehouse. I just got done, but going into it, I was definitely worried about the authorization because we're flying over people. It's in the Statehouse. It's a DJI drone, but we had the approval. Obviously, flying indoors, the restrictions are a lot more limited because you're not technically in national airspace, and we had approval from the manager, the director of the conference. Earlier there was a bunch of people out front with booths talking about their different industries. There's firefighting, there was Kent State, a lot of universities doing research. There was an advanced air mobility unit that they can travel around with. It was just sitting out front. That was cool because then you can put antenna out the top of the van and then do BV loss missions beyond visual line of sight. So yeah, everything went well. I was definitely a little bit nervous, but just fly carefully and yeah, get good shots. It was definitely noisy, but people didn't really seem to mind too much. So yeah, got to fly in the Statehouse. Let's go.